This is morning 9:30. We'll check into another hotel today. That's the Seafront Hotel, Promenade, and we are just roaming around. I mean, just walking around here and there. This is the Hope Cafe. You see, yesterday night the Hope Cafe is good. Pondicherry Street. It's just a French colony nearby. Then in front of that is the Cafe Desserts. You see. Hello guys, this is around 11 o'clock morning. We came to the Paradise Beach. This is another beach in Pondicherry, and it's too hot out there. Oh, it's too hot. Hey guys, we are at Auroville. This is the parking lot of Auroville. It takes 100 rupees for four-wheeler park. I'm not sure about the two-wheeler. That's the entry, I think. That's the entry. That's the visitor center. The place is so serene. It's so awesome, so many trees, so calm and quiet. That's the information center. We'll go inside now. They have souvenir shop, I think, here, and a small food court. You can see that side, the left side, and these are souvenir shop. Hey guys, this should be an 1 kilometer walkable distance to Machi Mandir. We have visited here earlier, and this 1 kilometer walkable distance is really good, serene, and the lots of trees. It's kind of a jungle. You must enjoy it. That's the center, you can see. So we are going out. I mean exit. This is the exit from Auroville. You can see the street is parking. I'm not sure what is that. Oh, there's a little bit of shopping center, souvenir or boutique. This is small shop, but they have really good collection. This is made by here only. I'm in Auroville. You can see there are lots of collection there for gents, ladies. The collection is really more and beautiful. Hey guys, we'll park for Promenade. This is our 2-night stay. This is the hotel, Le Promenade, and we'll be staying here tonight. It's a 4-star property, and we'll show you everything like before, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is our stay tonight. So this Promenade, they have upgraded the room to a full suite. So this is the room. There's a sitting area. You can see there's a desk come coffee table. Not a coffee table, it's a desk. Luggage station. There's a restroom. I'll show you the restroom. That's the bathtub, a full glass, which is nice touch. It's clean, it's oldish, but it looks good. That's the view you'll get. You can see that's the sea view. It's the suite. A full rock beach can be visible from here. That's the minibar. It's empty. The cupboard. Chair and a desk, TV unit, a full glass. You can sit anywhere, and this is a sitting area, and that's the bed. I can show you from the bed. Your view will be like this. So this, even from here also you can watch the sea. That's pretty much, the room is good. I really like it. It's a free upgrade for us. I'm not sure why, but we enjoyed it. That's nice. Hello guys, this is our lunch today. It's a late lunch around 4 o'clock today, and this is chicken fried rice. The lunch view is awesome, and I have ordered chicken breast with potatoes. This is around 6 o'clock, and we are going for snacks, or yeah, maybe a couple of, it's just hot, so maybe a couple of drinks. So this is the lobby. I mean, this is the second floor area, and the hotel is really cool. I mean, the stay and the view is really awesome from the room. This is the stair. We are going to the ground floor. Hey guys, we are at Escape Inn. Jeera and dhania rice, pepper prawn, and this is chicken steak with rice. And this is our view. The restaurant is good. We just tasted a couple of things, and it's really good. Hello guys, this morning from Pondicherry, and this is our view from the room. That's the sunrise view, and look at this guys. This is the sunrise. It's a clean sunrise, and the view from the bed is really good. And this is the lighthouse, the new lighthouse. Look at this view. This is the rooftop bar, and that's the view from the bar. It's so mind-boggling, yaar. This is the morning, subah look, sunrise. It's very rare to get, I mean, the clear sunrise. If you see, that's the sunrise, and that is our room. That's our room with that, you can see that curtains, and this is that rooftop bar. They decorated it very well. Yesterday night the bar was full. We saw that, but it closed I think around 10:30. That's the main bar. "7:30. We'll go for breakfast now. This is our last day here at Pondi. This is the restaurant for our breakfast. This is a buffet breakfast. We'll show you the breakfast available today. There are many juices, buttermilks, grape, watermelons. And here you go.
Okay, ma'am.
Upma, chana masala, sambar, fatura, vada, spicy potato. This side is the continental, beans, bacons, truffle, chicken sauces, rava passion, trinity. I think that's the bread section. Cinnamon roll, croissants, Danish donuts, and many more. Egg tarts, cereals, and fruit bar. This is our breakfast table. We have taken all together and we'll have our breakfast. Enjoy our breakfast actually. Hey guys, we'll check out now. So this day was good. This is Promenade, the Promenade, and it's a 4-star property. It takes the tariff was for one night 8,741 rupees, and that's for your that's the CV room. So they have lesser cost room, lesser tariff, that's on back side, so that is a little lesser cost, and this is including the breakfast. The breakfast was good, the room is really neat and clean, and the view is awesome, really awesome, mind-boggling view. I think this is the best view if you are staying in Pondicherry. So this is the best view. Definitely this is the best view from the Rock Beach. And yep, so room is neat and clean. The host is really good. I mean, the hospitality is really good. The restroom area, the key, I mean restaurant area, both are really neat and clean. So I really like this property. If you are visiting in Pondi, then definitely you can stay here, and it will give you a good view. And Rock Beach is just nearby. You can just walk out and go to the beach and come in, and food quality is really good. The food was tasty. Yeah, this is the lighthouse. I think this is the new lighthouse. They have another one on that side. So stay tuned guys to watch our all videos, support us, show us some love, subscribe to our channel, and really like and share our videos, and stay with us. Wait for the next video. We'll come up with the next video. Thank you guys.